Let me say this clearly. If you're still paying monthly for ebook software, you don't own your system, you're renting it. And the moment that tool shuts down or changes, everything you built is gone. This video is about one prompt ebook engine and why it flips that entire model on its head. This is not software, and that's exactly why it works. If you want a simple way to create complete ebooks inside ChatGPT without dashboards, credits, or lock-ins, this is one of the smartest low-ticket systems I've seen on Warrior Plus. It's not for everyone, but for the right person, it's powerful. So what exactly is One Prompt Ebook Engine? It's a fully engineered ebook creation system that runs inside your own ChatGPT. You copy one master prompt, you paste it, and it guides ChatGPT to build a full ebook from start to finish. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, PLR sellers, coaches or freelancers, anyone who wants lead magnets, paid ebooks, or client deliverables. And it solves a big objection most people have. I don't know how to structure an ebook or finish it properly. This system handles that for you. Now let me show you how it actually works. There is no dashboard. You open ChatGPT, you paste the master prompt. The system then asks you a few things: your topic, your audience, your goal for the ebook, your preferred length. Next, it generates multiple title and subtitle options, builds a full table of contents. You approve the structure, then it writes Chapter 1, stops automatically, waits for your command. You continue chapter by chapter until the ebook is complete. No cutoffs, no broken output, no cleanup work. That's the real advantage here. Let's talk about the upgrades. The front end is One Prompt ebook engine at a low entry price. There's an optional order bump that focuses on boosting ebook authority and polish. Upsell 1 expands this into a deeper authority-focused ebook system. Upsell 2 is where ebooks become assets, lead magnets, bonuses, and client deliverables. Upsell 3 focuses on conversion and monetization, helping your ebooks actually produce results. None of these are required, but if you plan to use ebooks seriously, at least one upgrade makes sense. Now pay attention because this is important. If you buy through the link below, you get exclusive bonuses that make this 10 times more useful. Here are just some of them. Bonus 1, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords for your ebooks and landing pages. Bonus 2, WP Slideshow Master. Turn ebook content into high-impact slides for pages or videos. Bonus 3, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for better search rankings. Bonus 4, Lead Book Generator. Turn ebooks into automated lead generation assets. Bonus 5, Opt-in Monster. Add high-converting opt-in forms to your sites. Bonus 6, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails to increase clicks. Bonus 7, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across multiple funnels without rebuilding. Bonus 8, Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic for long-term exposure. Bonus 9, Affiliate Marketing Thrive video course. Learn how to monetize content properly. And bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blogs, instant sites you can use to promote your ebooks. These bonuses alone are worth more than the product. And yes, you'll hear about these bonuses again in a second. Final verdict. If you want flashy AI software, this is not it. But if you want a system you own that lets you create unlimited ebooks inside ChatGPT with PLR rights and without monthly fees, then One Prompt ebook engine is a smart buy. The bonuses are limited, and once they're gone, they're gone. Click the link below now, lock in the bonuses, and get instant access. So here's what to do next. Click the link below this video. Pick up One Prompt ebook engine, and after purchase, you'll see instructions on how to access all bonuses instantly. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want more honest Warrior Plus reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.